Stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make cassava dumplings Jamaican style. Please like my video, share my channel with your friends, and encourage them to subscribe. Help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, family and friends, as you can see, I get started by peeling my cassava and then I wash it thoroughly. Now, if you want just a cornmeal or just an ordinary flour dough, you can skip this cassava section and go straight to where I actually start mixing the dough. So I peel my cassava, remove the core, and then I grate. You can always blend this, family and friends. It is really up to you, but I prefer to grate my cassava. Now, family and friends, it's up to you how much cassava you really want to use. I am using a kilogram of cassava with 2 cups of flour to bind it together. If you want to add more to it, it's really up to you. It depends on how many dumplings you want to get and the content of flour to cassava that you want in your dough. Next, I hand squeeze it to remove some of the juice and then add 2 cups of flour to my cassava. Next, I pinch it in. I add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Again, salt is to taste. And then I use a 1/3 cup of water to combine my dough. Now, family and friends, you can use the juice that you've squeezed from the cassava to do this. I accidentally pour away mine, and so I had to use water to bind it all together. Now, for all of those persons who are wondering about the dumplings and you have skipped to right here, family and friends, after you add your salt, you just combine your dough, roll it, knead it out, and then allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Next, family and friends, you allow your water to come to a boil. You cannot put dumplings into water that is not boiling. It will allow your dumpling to get soft and soggy, and you will not get the desired texture. Now, again, family and friends, you can add more flour to make a stiffer dough. For me, if you like a nice, soft, relaxed dumpling, then you would allow it to be nice and relaxed when you need it. Allow it to cook for about 20 minutes, and this is what it looks like. I pause to share with you the spiritual nugget. James 1 verse 8 encourages you to be decisive in your action. It warns against a double-minded person. It states that he is unstable. So whatever you put your heart to, I'm going to encourage you to stick to it and complete it according to the will of God in your life. Now, family and friends, see that it's all done. I've paired it with some brown stewed turkey neck, and just look at this. It is delicious. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, and I will see you next week. Remember to like, to share, subscribe, leave your comment, and I'll see you next week.